If you think design tools are expensive, complicated, or only for professionals, pause for a second. Today we're diving into MiriCanvas 2026 version, a free AI-powered design platform that might change how you create content forever. From AI-generated images to AI-made videos, from background removal to presentation builders, MiriCanvas claims to give you all of that for free. In this video, I'll put it all to the test. We'll see how easy it is to get started, how powerful the tools really are, and whether MiriCanvas lives up to its big promises. Ready to see if this free Canva alternative really delivers? Let's jump in. MiriCanvas is a web-based design studio built on the idea that anyone, whether you're a student, a content creator, a small business owner, or a hobbyist, should be able to create high-quality visuals or videos without needing expensive software or advanced skills. When you open the site, you are greeted with a clean, modern, and intuitive interface. The platform offers hundreds of thousands of templates for social media graphics, posters, presentations, thumbnails, marketing materials, infographics, and much more. What truly distinguishes MiriCanvas is its integration of Miracle AI, an entire suite of AI-driven tools including AI image generator, AI video generator, AI writing, background remover, upscaler, and more. With these tools, MiriCanvas doesn't just let you pick and edit templates, it lets you generate content from scratch. Account creation and setup. Getting started is simple and fast. Head to the MiriCanvas website, click Sign Up or Log In, and create an account with email or a third-party login, like Google, Apple, etc. Once you confirm, you land on the dashboard where you see options for new designs, templates, recent projects, and quick access tools. There's no software to download. Everything runs in your browser. Your projects are stored in the cloud, so you can access them from any device. The free plan already gives you cloud storage and instant access to basic templates and the core AI tools, so you can start experimenting right away with no payment required. Now, let us walk through a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to create a full design using MiriCanvas. We'll create a presentation in MiriCanvas to demonstrate the current workflow and core Miracle AI features. From the dashboard, click on Presentation or search for Presentation in the template library. You'll immediately see a wide selection of professionally designed presentation templates for business, education, marketing, and creative projects. Choose a template that matches your goal, and it will open inside the editor with multiple slides already structured. Once the presentation loads, you can begin editing slide by slide. Click on any text to replace it with your own content. Fonts, colors, spacing, alignment, and text effects can all be adjusted from the top toolbar, allowing you to maintain a clean, professional look without starting from scratch. Next, let's enhance the visuals using Miracle AI. Open the Miracle panel and select the AI image generator. Enter a short prompt related to your slide topic, such as a concept illustration or background visual. Within seconds, the AI generates images that you can insert directly into your slides. If the background isn't needed, use the AI background remover to isolate the subject cleanly. If you're working with lower quality images, select the image and apply the AI upscaler to improve clarity and resolution. This is especially useful for presentations that will be displayed on large screens or exported as high-quality PDFs. You can also speed up content creation using AI writing. For example, if you need slide summaries, talking points, or structured text, enter a brief prompt and let the AI generate content that you can quickly refine and personalize. As you continue editing, you can add icons, charts, shapes, stock photos, and design elements from the built-in library. You can also apply slide transitions and subtle animations to make the presentation more engaging without overwhelming the viewer. Once your presentation is complete, click Download and choose your export format. MiriCanvas allows you to export presentations as PDFs, images, or video formats, even on the free plan. This is a major advantage compared to tools like Canva and other competitors, where free users often face restrictions on export formats or quality. With MiriCanvas, you're not forced to upgrade just to download your work in a usable format. Miracle AI features what they are. AI image generator. Turn a text prompt into a custom illustration or photo style image. You can pick from multiple styles: realistic, cartoon, sketch, watercolor, etc., and then refine or edit as needed. This is perfect for custom thumbnails, posters, backgrounds, logos, and more. AI video generator. Probably the biggest upgrade. With video generation from text or images, you can create dynamic content even if you don't have a camera. Useful for social media clips, product promos, short storytelling, or animated posts. After generation, you can edit, add music or voiceover, text overlays, transitions, everything in browser. AI writing. Need a script, caption, or copy. Use AI writing to draft content instantly. Great for social media captions, video scripts, ad copy, presentations, or blog drafts. You can then edit or refine tone, length, grammar inside MiriCanvas. Background remover and upscaler. Edit your photos by removing backgrounds cleanly or upscale low-resolution images to higher clarity. Handy for product shots, custom graphics, or reused visuals. Design plus layout tools plus template library. Once assets, images, videos, text are ready, use the drag and drop editor to assemble your design, whether a poster, a thumbnail, a video, or a presentation. With hundreds of thousands of templates, you can start fast and customize fully. Because all these features live under Miracle AI, you rarely need to leave MiriCanvas, reducing the need for multiple tools for writing, video editing, image editing, layout, and publishing. MiriCanvas, and now its complete Miracle AI suite, is one of the strongest free design platforms of 2026. It combines image, video, writing, and layout tools into one browser-based workspace that's accessible, powerful, and beginner-friendly. This is a tool worth trying. I highly recommend opening the site, creating a free account, and experimenting with the AI tools yourself. You may be surprised how much you can produce with minimal effort. If you want to try MiriCanvas yourself, check the link in the description. And if this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which AI design tool you want me to test next.